That holds in place this flex cable that acts as our power button. So we're going to remove this cover first, so that way we can gain access, and then disconnect this flex cable right here. All right, to simply remove it, we're just going to get a corner of this here. That pops out. We're going to get our tweezers. And then with the same plastic pry tool, we're just going to disengage that flex cable there. And now we could set our back cover aside. All right, so now that we have our back cover taken off, what we're going to be doing next is we're going to be going around the entire phone in the back right here. This top section